Sunny Deol's starrer Gadar Ek Prem Katha has completed 2 decades of its release today. The actor took to social media to express gratitude to all his fans who made the film a historic affair. Taking to Instagram, Sunny shared a video song from Gadar, Musafir Jani Wale, featuring him and Amisha Patel. He wrote, "We made a film, you made it an event. 20 years of Gadar. I express my gratitude to everyone who made our film historic." Talking about the film, Sunny said, "Gadar is a beautiful love story which has high drama and action. I remember I was in Ooty shooting for a film when Anil Sharma narrated the story to me. I instantly loved the subject. Like always, I went with my instincts and that's how it all started." Talking about his character, he added, "I have had the opportunity to play some great characters throughout my career, but there was something special about the character of Tara Singh. He is soft and sweet but can bring the world upside down when it comes to his family and country." He said that playing this character helped him break out of a certain comfort zone. That time we did not predict that the dialogues and songs of the movie would become a rage. It's great to be celebrating a 20-year milestone with the country, he said. Gadar Ek Prem Katha is a period romantic action drama film set during the partition of India in 1947. The film also stars Amisha Patel, Amrish Puri and Lilith Dubey. INS report.